memorable slip and fall case that Mike Sawaya and I tried, again, a number of years ago. We had a client who had the misfortune of slipping on a strawberry while he was shopping in a supermarket here in Denver, at one of our major supermarket chains. He was in the produce aisle, walking down the produce aisle, and there was a strawberry on the floor that he didn't see. He slipped on it and he fell backwards. Landed on his back, sustained a significant back injury requiring a lumbar fusion and some complications that arose from that surgery that impacted the rest of his life. We filed suit against the supermarket chain, couldn't get the case resolved out of court, and so we proceeded to trial. What we were able to show in trial was the supermarket we knew was going to present as evidence what they call is a sweep sheet. It's a piece of evidence you see in almost every supermarket slip and fall case. It's a log that they maintain through their employees that shows how often they patrol aisles to clean spills or refuse from the aisles, and then they log the employee, the time they did it, and the name of the employee. And that was produced to us in discovery. We knew that was coming, and we got produced to us at our request time records for all the employees that worked at that store that day. At trial, we were able to show to the jury that at the time this aisle supposedly was patrolled and cleaned, the employee who signed off on the sweep sheet for that time was in fact on break, as shown by his time records. And when we presented that to the jury, they obviously were outraged that the supermarket was falsifying records for their own benefit. We've received a favorable verdict in that case. During closing argument, the attorney for the supermarket brought into the courtroom what he called a floor exemplar, which was a 3-foot by 3-foot square of the tile that was in the produce area, the floor tile. And he put it down on the floor of the courtroom in front of the judge and the jury. And then we heard him unwrapping a pint basket of strawberries. And he took out a big red strawberry and he put it in the middle of this floor exemplar to show the jury what it would look like. And Mike Sawaya and I were sitting at counsel table, scratching our heads, wondering, what is this showing the jury? Other than what a strawberry looks like when it's on the floor, a strawberry that shouldn't be there. Mike and I walked out of closing argument to the hallway and stood there scratching our heads laughing, wondering, what was he trying to prove with the strawberry and the exemplar? It never made sense to us at all, other than to show the jury what a big red strawberry looks like.